Thank you very much, folks. That was, of course, Rolling in the Deep, the Adele classic, arranged for professional ensemble, by special request of the people in the ensemble who really wanted to do something popular and well-known and mainstream. Okay, next we have something very opposite. We have some J.S. Bach, a chorale from the Christmas Oratorio. In German, it's called Plötzlich tut mich verlangen, which in English translates as O Sacred Head Sore Wounded. It's J.S. Bach from the Christmas Oratorio. Okay, very well done to the smaller quartet from within the group there. Next up we have first just several solo items. We have Georgia Davis on the drum kit, playing Rock Around the Clock. Bill Haley and the Comets, Rock Around the Clock, with a CD backing track. Are you ready, Georgia? Fantastic. And after Georgia, we will have Alex Nutt playing a song called Boogly Woogly on the vibraphone. Jazzy little numbers. The two little jazzy numbers in a row for you now. First of all, Rock Around the Clock, and then Boogly Woogly.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, we're up. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, we're up. 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, we're up. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. The lights on, join me on. Some fun when the clock strikes one. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock till broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight.
Wasn't that great? Okay, so next up, the whole ensemble are going to come back on stage and play the Ukrainian Bell Carol. This is the famous Christmas tune. I know it's not Christmas, but we did this back at Christmas, and it's such a good performance, I thought it was a shame to only play it once. So while everyone takes their places, the next piece you will hear is the Ukrainian Bell Carol. The next piece will be introduced by the arranger himself. I'm very lucky to have such a dynamic group of kids to work with at Rougemont on a Tuesday. They show great initiative, great enthusiasm to turn up every lunchtime, every Tuesday lunchtime, and this next piece encapsulates that spirit really. It was entirely arranged by Mr. Ed Jones, and it will be introduced and performed by the kids. They've rehearsed this themselves with absolutely no input from me, so that's not a disclaimer. It's really it's saying what fantastic work they've done totally independently. Here you go, Ed.
Hello, and internet, hello. Wasn't that fantastic? Before we continue, please give a huge hand to Mr. Barron, who has given his time to help this group become what it has. So, thank you. Okay, now for something completely different. This next piece was taken from what I believe to be one of the most powerful moments in modern American film. And I say American, but the composer, John Powell, was actually British and was originally recorded in London. With Alex Boris Evans and Alex Mitchell, you remember, Tim on wind chimes, and myself, Leo Jones, on vibraphone and tinsel. From the film, How to Train Your Dragon, this is Forbidden Friendship.
done, Ed. Well done for your arrangement, well done for organising your friends to play so well. Next up we have another solo item. We have Alex Evans playing Man on the Moon by R.E.M. Before Alex plays, I wanted to talk for a little minute about the group we have here. As I said before, the group has existed for a couple of years. We've had different players come in and out. This concert has been a very interesting challenge because a lot of the music we rehearsed featured some Year 11s. And as the concert is in the final stretch towards their GCSEs, these Year 11s are so engrossed in study leave, exams, that they couldn't be a part of it. So in the last couple of weeks, the Year 9s, who you see perform today, have really risen to the challenge of filling extra parts, coping without certain parts being there. They've done a fantastic job. As I said, they are all from Year 9. Another remarkable thing about this group is that they're not all percussionists as a first instrument. Several of them are pianists. Some of the people that have played tuned percussion today have come from a background of drum kit playing. Obviously it's a very, very different skill. And again, it's to their credit that they've risen to the challenge so well. They've adapted, they've shown great versatility, and as I said earlier, the key word for me is their enthusiasm. It's really, really infectious. It's a very good year group to have in the school, and hopefully they're going to inspire the year groups below them. Okay. Now, as I said, over to Alex Evans for a solo performance of R.E.M's Man on the Moon. This is from the grade 4 drum kit, and it's a well-known song. I'm sure some of you will recognise it. Over to you, Alex.
And
Lovely playing, Alex. Well done. Great stuff. Great song as well. Great choice. We have another solo piece coming up now. It's Alex Nutt here on the marimba. He's going to play the first piece for 3 mallets by Mitchell Peters. Mitchell Peters is a composer primarily for percussion and marimba. Every student who learns marimba encounters many Mitchell Peters pieces as they progress. The first piece in the grade syllabus, which features the use of more than 1 mallet in your hand at a time. Alex, would you demonstrate that for the folks? There you go. So at this point in the student's development, they learn to control 2 mallets in the same hand, using these fingers here, basically steering the gap between the mallets like that. This piece features a melody in the right hand. So this is Alex Nutt with Mitchell Peters, first piece for 3 mallets. Fantastic, Alex. Thank you very much. So next, the whole ensemble back onto the stage, please. We're going to play Watermelon Man, the famous Herbie Hancock tune. While they're setting up and finding their sticks and music, I'd like to talk for a minute about the actual instruments you see before you. Quite a lot of the time in percussion concerts, the audience do have a genuine sort of quest for knowledge about the instruments they see. We have various tuned percussion at the front. We have the 2 marimbas that I'm standing by. These are basically like giant xylophones with a bigger bars, more mellow sound. Next to the marimbas, we have a vibraphone, which Alex played his first solo on. That's very jazzy sound, very jazzy instrumental bars. And we have the very familiar glockenspiel at the end there, high-pitched, very tingy metal bars. As well as that, we have some unpitched percussion. We have the drum kit, of course. We have, behind me to my left, a whole rack of congas, guiro, maracas, a lot of Cuban percussion, which you're about to hear in Watermelon Man. And of course, we've got the timpani in the corner to my right. These are also pitched, the kettle drums, also known as kettle drums. There's a few of the instruments introduced there. You've already seen Alex Nutt play marimba with 3 mallets. He's going to do that again in the final piece. This Watermelon Man we're about to play is a well-known tune, very groovy, very funky, and it features drum kit solo breaks from Georgia Davis. you very much, folks. We now come to our final piece. Another well-known, popular piece of music, Cox by Coldplay. This is an arrangement that I borrowed from the Cardiff and Vale of the Morgan Music Service percussion ensemble. It features marimbas, vibraphone, all the instruments you've seen basically. We have our guest conductor with us, head of music, Miss Benson Dugdale. Thank you for helping out. Okay, so our final piece is Coldplay Cox. Once again, thank you for coming out and supporting these kids. Thank you to the kids for playing so well and supporting the group, giving up your time on a Tuesday, and showing so much enthusiasm every week. Really a pleasure to work with you all. Narrative.